Hey guys, it's DadTFP here, and I'm with my best bud, NiagaraTFP, and what we're going to show you today is how to roast pumpkin seeds. So these pumpkin seeds are from this amazing pumpkin jack-o'-lantern that we made a couple days ago, and so what we did is we took all the seeds out, we sorted the seeds from the pulp, we rinsed off the seeds, and then we let them dry a little bit in the fridge. And so what we're going to do is now they're ready for roasting, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and we will spread them around and reshuffle them every 5 minutes. So here it goes, 350, we're putting it in the oven. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we're going to shuffle them up a bit. So it's been 5 minutes, and so we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil.
What did you put on it before?
Olive oil and a little bit of salt. This is the good stuff.
Himalayan pink salt.
Himalayan pink salt. Some people use like table salt, but...
And table salt.
And so now we're going to go ahead and shuffle these up a bit.
What are we going to do after Halloween on this channel?
Probably some cooking videos.
On what?
Maybe some hooping videos.
Wait, we're going to do videos about basketball?
We probably should.
It's kind of too cold to play basketball at this moment.
We'll do football catching videos.
Would you tell everyone how to do football catching?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to put it back in the oven. This thing's nice and hot for another... We'll do 10 minutes, and I think we should all be all done. Alright, 10 minutes, we'll have some awesome pumpkin seeds. There you have it, guys. How does it smell? Smells delish, right?
We can have this for Thanksgiving.
Oh, smell those pumpkin seeds.
We might do this in another video on DadTFP where we do where we take the seeds out of the other pumpkin, and then after that we can have more pumpkin seeds.
That's a great idea. Yeah, I like that. And so there you have it. We'll let it cool off, and then we'll enjoy them. Thanks for watching.
Bye.